The formulation that seems to be best is in a milligram ratio of 10-10-2. That's 10 milligrams of mesozeaxanthin, 10 milligrams of lutein, and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin. And that's commercially available in the United States as MacuHealth.
And I think it's interesting because when carotenoids, we study carotenoids for a living, we enjoy them, they're very interesting compounds. And what we do know is that we do not take in enough carotenoids from a normal healthy diet. And that's now more important when we look at the ageing population. And the success that ageing has presented is in fact the challenge that we have as eye care specialists and as scientists, because we need to be able to optimise nutrition all over the body. Obviously our interest is in the eye, and we know that as you get older your macular pigment levels decrease. So to be able to enrich it with this unique formulation is something that's, we believe, very important now, and particularly now when we see the results of AREDS too as well, the role for nutritional supplements, particularly in individuals that have kind of poor diets or low starting points. I think it's very interesting.
Now what about gastrointestinal absorption? This can vary. There are all sorts of gastrointestinal milieu issues. There's been a spate of studies about bacterial overgrowth and how it can affect absorption. How do you make sure that your delivery is consistent and reaches consistent blood levels?
Well, we have looked at that, and there is no competitive inhibition for absorption between the three macular carotenoids. However, as we saw in the AREDS report, if you take beta-carotene, it does inhibit, that is another carotenoid which is not found in the retina, it does inhibit absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin. In fact, those who were given beta-carotene in the AREDS 2 trial had significantly less serum concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin, so a supplement should not contain beta-carotene. But with respect to possibility of competitive inhibition between the three macular carotenoids, that doesn't occur, because we have seen that in all patients who are supplemented, serum concentrations of all three of those constituent carotenoids rise substantially and significantly.